Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing an app store from Kevin kpfire, which has a wide range of applications and utilities such as virus scanners, media players, music apps, and live TV. So for this install, we will need the downloader app. If you do not have this, then please watch this video that appears on the screen and then come back to this. So once you have downloader installed, we will just move across and open it. And for today, the code will be 874521. Then we'll hit the go. Okay. So we'll just scroll through. Let's install this. Okay, we'll click done so that we can delete the file. Click on home screen and back to the apps, and I believe this is the icon. I'll leave that for you to explore at your leisure. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, please give it a like, drop a comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.